Japan has many fan favourites when it comes to snacks and souvenirs that tourists love to pack into their suitcases when it's time to go home. But there's probably one that stands out above all others, and since you've already seen the title of this video, you'll of course know that I'm talking about KitKats. So now, to capitalise on the insatiable hunger of sweet-toothed Japanese and tourists alike, the company has now opened a KitKat Chocolatory, located in the new Miyashita Park Mall in Shibuya. Here you'll be able to purchase all sorts of unique KitKat flavours, as well as sign up for the build your own experience and create a truly unique souvenir. You'll want to come early and save a space though, as each group can only accommodate 8 people, and at the moment, it's certainly a popular attraction. Once the session begins, you'll be taken through each step by an in-house master KitKat craftsperson and then given a few minutes to follow along and complete each step. Alright, it's knife time. Do I look absolutely mental with like gloves and a mask on? Alright. There's no groove cut into it, so I'm just going to have to... The first step is to carefully slice your wafer into 4 equally sized sticks. Oh, we've got a clean break, Yasu. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, the next bit's harder because now it's thinner. It's more easy to break. Oh no, I broke this one. Next you'll have to pour your liquid chocolate into the mould and give it a good bang to make sure all the air bubbles come out. It's chocolate time. Oh, it's so thick. Alright, how's yours, Yasu? Oh man, that's perfect. How did you get this? Look how messy mine is. That's Yasu's attempt. Look at mine. This is mine. Look how neat that is. You've done this before, haven't you? Yeah. This is noob level KitKats. You'll then insert your wafers, pressing them into the mould and cementing them in with chocolate. So I guess it's time to smooth over now. Let's try this. Lastly, you'll need to chop up your ingredients and place them as you fancy onto the bottom of your KitKat. Once you've finished constructing your masterpiece, you'll need to wait for around half an hour while it chills in the freezer. Thankfully, there is also a cafe where you can wait and grab a cup of coffee. Through the large windows, you'll also be able to enjoy a close-up view of Tokyo's most famous railway, the Yamanote line. Interestingly, they also have a KitKat piano that is free for anyone to come and play, so if you're lucky, you might end up enjoying your drink while being treated to a free performance. What are you looking at, Yasu?
Yeah, okay, so they've got something called like the Mekakushi chocolate here.
Ooh.
And they basically have 15 different types of chocolate. And you just pick one randomly based on the illustration and the words they got. And you don't know the taste until you eat it. Yeah, it says like, yeah, the one you've eventually chosen is the one you need.
So it's a bit of a mystery selection.
Yeah. Anyway, for example, like this one, right? It says like, when you can't express your like true feeling,
okay,
then you should like write it down.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's a bit like omikuji, like like what do
fortune.
You call it? Fortune telling, like at like shrines.
Interesting. After checking out what the store has to offer and enjoying some free entertainment, it's time to go and get our KitKats.
こちら手作りですのでお召し上がり3日以内にお願いいたします。
So yeah, we have to eat this within like 3 days.
3 days. Okay.
Because it's handmade, you know.
I can do that in 3 minutes, mate. Don't worry.
2時間でしたら一応このままでお持ちいただけます。では気をつけていただきます。ありがとうございます。
Right guys, so it's time for the part you've all been waiting for, the taste test. So right now it's actually Japanese summer, it's ludicrously hot outside and it's no place to be eating melty chocolates. I thought I'd come home first, give it a good freeze, you know, and really appreciate it in all its glory. So I've got it over here in the kind of cool bag, they put it in the shop. And there's a nice little message in here, but I can't bother to read that because I want to eat some chocolate. So we'll take that off and we're going to open the bag. Okay, and here we have my KitKat. I went for this red Mount Fuji design, which I really thought was cool. But I think there's like 5 or 6 designs you can actually choose from if you want to customize your box a little bit more. So you can take the sleeve off, and then inside we've got our box containing the KitKat, and it's got this little kind of petal design. So we open up this 4 sections here, and be careful to make sure it doesn't fall out. This is my KitKat here. So the toppings, I've got some crushed hazelnut, I've got some almonds, I've got orange, and there's some other like kind of crunchy chocolatey pieces inside there. And I also went for the dark chocolate, which in Japan they call bitter, but it's just dark chocolate because I love the flavour. So I guess it's time for the moment of the truth. This looks quite messy though, so I might need a plate. Okay, it's looking pretty good as well. The moulding came out really nicely, but this is the part you've all been waiting, guys. You ready? You ready for this? Are you ready? Oh, satisfying. Okay, let's put that down here. And then take a look at this. So I've just got nuts all over the floor, but let's just tuck in. I'm going to try this bit with the orange on it. That is good. I mean, it just tastes like a KitKat I bought from a shop. It doesn't taste like something that I made myself. And I think that's the best part of this experience. You know, you really kind of get messy, get stuck in there, and get to try it all yourself. But there's one more test, as any British person will know, that, you know, in order to be considered a true biscuit, it has to pass the dunk. So I've got some tea here, some I made earlier. Let's see what happens. Very nice, very absorbent, and the chocolate melts just a little bit, just enough to make it smooth and buttery. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to Ryu Tokyo for brand new videos every single week. If you want to take this KitKat experience for yourself, then we'll leave some useful links down in the video description. So until the next time, I'm going to stuff my face with KitKat. Thanks for watching.